Hey YouTube fam, welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know, my name is Joshelle, and today, as you can tell from the title, I'll be discussing skincare. Before we get started, do your girl a favor and hit that subscribe button below for more videos to come. I will be uploading videos every week, guys, and you don't want to miss it. I have valuable content coming for y'all, so join the family, and I promise you will not regret it. So personally, I would say that I have normal skin, but more so on the oily side. So when I wake up, for example, my T-zone, my nose, my forehead are the places that are very oily. And even on a regular day, by the end of the day, that's the area that I have to be blotting with my oil blotting wipes because it just breaks out in oil. But it's nothing too crazy. However, the routine that I'll be going through step by step today has really worked for me. I've been doing it for a few months now, and it's really worked in terms of helping to combat the amount of oil that breaks out of my pores. So stay tuned if you are interested in seeing what works for me. Once again, it works for me. It may not work for you, but I'm just showing you guys. I've never really had any problems in terms of skin, such as acne or severe breakouts or anything. Right now, it's that time of the month approaching, so I think I have like a couple pimples or zits, but I never really get anything too crazy. But like I said, this routine just helps combat the oiliness. And yeah, let's jump right into it. So the first thing I do is tie my hair back to avoid it getting in the way when I wash my face. Although I just woke up and didn't really touch anything, I always like to wash my hands with soap before touching my face. So that is what I'm doing. Now I am just washing my face with some warm water to open up my pores. So first I'm starting off with this face wash from Origins called Checks and Balances Frothy Face Wash. I've been using this for several months now, and I do love it. It contains ingredients that help to balance your skin's pH. So like I said earlier, I have pretty normal skin, but more so on the oily side. So if I had to choose, I would say I have oily skin. My T-zone gets oily, and I found that with using this, it doesn't break out in oil as much, and yeah, it just feels very refreshing, and it smells pepperminty. It's very mild, so I love it. And anytime I wash my face, I do it for 1 minute. I like to massage the product into my skin for at least 1 minute to make sure that it has time to do what it needs to do. And in the mornings when I wash my face, I just use my fingers. And then in the nighttime when I wash my face, I will use like an exfoliating, rotating brush that you probably see in the background there. But I only do that once a day because I don't want to exfoliate twice a day. Now I'm just realizing that I showed you guys the French side of this product, but it's all good. So I'm now using the Witch Hazel Rose Petal Toner, which I use every morning after washing my face. Okay, so now back in my room, and I'm going to apply my serums. So the first product I use is from The Ordinary, and it's the niacinamide. Just put a few drops on my skin. I distribute it all over, and then I will dab it, like tap my face, so as not to be so rough. So I've only been using The Ordinary products for a few months now, but I do really like them. So let me know in the comments below if you guys would like a review. Next, I'm going in with The Ordinary's Alpha Arbutin, and same procedure as the niacinamide. I just put a few drops on my skin, distribute it, dab it in and let it dry. As you guys are watching me dab my face, let me know in the comments how you guys are doing. How are you feeling? How's your health? These are tough times. I want to start conversations with y'all. I promise I will reply. So talk to me. So I'm about to point at my under eyes in a second because this next product I use to help combat the darkness under my eyes as well as reduce puffiness. So that product is the caffeine solution by The Ordinary. I apply a few drops under my eyes and I gently pat it in because that skin under your eyes is very thin. You don't want to rub at all. So I just dab it up and let it dry. So now the final step is my moisturizer. So I use the Olay Complete SPF 15 Daily Moisturizing Lotion. This makes my skin so hydrated. It gives me a nice glow and it's very lightweight, so it really works well with my skin. I lied. This is the last step. I cannot start my day properly unless my lips are moisturized, so I'm just applying some Vaseline. And that's it, guys. Real quick and easy. I don't do too much when it comes to my skin. For my skin personally, less is more, I find. So my skin routine, like that was my morning routine. My night routine is honestly the same amount of steps, if not maybe one extra. Other than these dark circles from my lack of sleep, it has been working for me. Thank you guys once again for watching this video. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments what you think, what products you use. If you're going to try the products I used today, definitely let me know. Stay tuned for the next ones to come. Till then, I hope you guys all stay safe, stay healthy, enjoy life, and just take care of yourselves, please. That's all I ask.
Self-care is so important.
Stay positive. I appreciate you all for your support, and I hope to see you in my next video.